and welcome to my numeracy and ICT statistical investigation. This video will show the process of the investigation and how I came to my final conclusion. My question for this investigation is the average right foot length of Year 5 boys larger than Year 5 girls? Does this change significantly in Year 11? My prediction for this investigation is that there will be a greater difference in the length of the right foot between Year 11 boys and girls in comparison to Year 5 boys and girls. The data that I used for this statistical investigation was from the 2014 ABS Census at School website. To ensure that the data was consistent, it's important to know that the length of the right foot was measured with no shoes on and was rounded to the nearest centimetre. After cleaning the data of its obvious errors, I was left with the total sample size of 196. I rearranged the data into ascending order to make it easier to interpret and understand. By beginning with an unordered stem and leaf plot, I was able to clean and sort the data into groups, as well as recognising the minimum and maximum length for both genders and year levels. This ordered stem and leaf plot is a useful representation to display the most frequent data. It is shown in this stem and leaf plot that in both year levels for boys and girls, the most frequent data range lay in between 20 and 29 centimetres. I used a tally to collate the data and provide a visual representation of the recurring patterns. The double column graph provides a great visual representation and clearly displays the data. By analysing both the Year 5 and Year 11 double column graphs, the boys' right foot length appears to be longer than the girls'. In relation to this investigation, the sector graph did not display the data in a sufficient way. It is difficult to understand and there are too many numbers being displayed on the graph, as well as the final results being unclear. A sector graph would be more useful for a smaller investigation with a specific group of answers where the data can be easily categorised. From the variety of graphs that were created for this investigation, I was able to calculate the mean, median, mode and range by using Excel formulas. The change column represents the difference in the average length between the Year 5 and Year 11 boys and girls. To answer this investigation, the boys' average right foot length didn't change from Year 5 to Year 11, and the girls only marginally increased by 2 centimetres on average. Due to the sample size of this investigation, this data should not be used to represent the entire Year 5 and Year 11 cohort. Thanks for watching.
Created using Powtoon.